In a quaint village nestled between rolling hills and dense forests, lived a carpenter named Leo. Known for his impeccable craftsmanship, Leo was also renowned for his calm demeanor and unshakable composure. Villagers often whispered about his stoic mindset, but few truly understood the depth of his tranquility. One day, the village was struck by a fierce storm. The winds howled like a wild beast, and the rain battered the homes, leaving many in disarray. Leo's workshop, situated at the edge of the village, bore the brunt of the storm's fury. By morning, his once pristine workshop was a wreck. Wooden beams were splintered, tools scattered, and the precious timbers he had been saving for months were soaked through. Despite the chaos, Leo stood amidst the debris with an air of serenity. The villagers, who had gathered to assess the damage, looked to him for guidance. "What will you do, Leo?" they asked, their faces etched with concern. Leo looked around, his expression calm. "The storm has come and gone. What remains is for us to rebuild," he said softly. His voice, steady and reassuring, seemed to steady the anxious crowd. As the villagers began to clear the wreckage, Leo worked methodically, not allowing the disaster to ruffle his composure. Each piece of wood, each tool, was handled with care and purpose. When someone stumbled or expressed frustration, Leo would calmly offer a word of encouragement or a practical solution. Days turned into weeks, and Leo's workshop was restored to its former glory. But it wasn't just the physical rebuilding that inspired the village. It was the way Leo approached the challenge. He had faced adversity with a mindset that saw beyond the immediate turmoil. His calmness and focus on what could be controlled, a lesson in acceptance and resilience, taught the villagers more than any words could. The storm had tested Leo's resolve, but it had also revealed his strength of character. He didn't merely rebuild his workshop, he demonstrated the power of a stoic mindset in the face of life's tempests. And as the villagers watched him work with unwavering patience and poise, they learned that true strength lies not in resisting the storm, but in embracing the calm that follows. In time, Leo's story spread far beyond the village, becoming a testament to the Stoic principle that while we cannot control the storms of life, we can choose how we face them.